Hey guys, that wasn't my face. This is my face. This is the unit. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we're demonstrating just a simple repair job on an AM radio sent in by Mark from Carroll Stream, Illinois. This is out of a 1970 Dodge Challenger, so there's not much to test. It's just an AM radio repair, so it's going to be a really quick test.
Know who you are, and that's why we're here to push back on the propaganda.
There's the main station I get, the strong station, and here's the 2-week.
Or just call us at 4.
And those are our 2-week stations.
I have a good buddy, and he and I have been.
And that's it. There's no need to look at the meters because we know the speaker's working because you're hearing the sound.
I thought back to
tone control all the way up.
Rick Santilli on the
tone control all the way down.
For saying that he wants to give everybody coronavirus and get this thing over with. I suggest we just don't.
And the hum, of course, is because of a nearby power line. So we'll turn this off, and we're going to test the dial light real quick, make sure that works. And there's our dial light. So that's it. She's ready to go back to the customer. There just isn't a whole lot to demonstrate on an AM radio. So I'm out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I normally do conversions on this type of radio, but once in a while I do acquiesce to just fixing an AM only radio if it can be done with parts that are currently available, and if I'm reasonably sure that parts will be available in the future for other service. If I can't be convinced of that, then I will go to a conversion to eliminate the possibility that the customer pays money to fix a radio. 6 months later it goes out again and I can't fix it for lack of parts. So this prevents that from happening to the customer. My number is 928-533-9666. That's for paying, repair, or conversion jobs only. That's not to find parts or belts or to ask for a wiring diagram or how to hook up your yard sale find. All I do is repair and do conversions. That's all I offer. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.